during the COVID time, I started like experiencing there's a like all of a sudden my like hair fall has started a lot. Like too much of hair fall was going on during the COVID time. Like by the help of these oils also, like my like hair fall was not that much as the people used to tell us. Ki bhai, my friends used to tell me ki itna after post COVID, the all of a sudden there is a like baldness patches on their hair. Like with the help of these oils, by this Regen and these 40s, like my hair fall was not that much. And even still I'm continuing with this oil Regen. I got too much faith in their oils, too much faith in their oils, really. Like within a week I started feeling कि हाँ थोड़ा सा reduce होना शुरू हो गया है मेरा hair fall. लेकिन क्योंकि that was post COVID, so many other things were going on. तो you can say within after a fortnight I started getting a result for those oil from those oils also.